everyone, today I'm very excited to show you how to cook vegan fish and chips. Some culinary combos are just meant to be like mac and cheese, grilled cheese and tomato soup, and chicken and waffles, to name a few. In the United Kingdom, though, it's all about the fish and chips. Whatever brilliant matchmaker first introduced fish to chips to create England's beloved dish will likely remain a mystery. We do know that fried fish was introduced to England in the 17th century by the country's Sephardic Jewish community. We also know that the first chippies started popping up in England around the middle of the 19th century. While we may not know who exactly opened the first fish and chip shop, we know that they created an enduring and very tasty culinary legacy, so much so that it became one of the few dishes to not be rationed during World War II. And since I can't eat traditional fish and chips, I created this recipe that surely gives me the same taste. So let's get into it, shall we? To create the fishy look, you will need 1 block of extra firm tofu, pressed and cut into 4 rectangular pieces, 1 cup of unsweetened plant-based milk, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and vegetable oil for frying. Then, for the chips, or most commonly known as fries, you will need 4 large russet potatoes, cut into thick strips, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and salt and pepper to taste. Finally, for the tartar sauce, you will need half a cup of vegan mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of dill pickle relish, 1 tablespoon of capers, finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley, finely chopped, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, plus salt and pepper to taste. To prepare it, you will also need the following: a cutting board, a knife, shallow dishes, a whisk or a fork, a mixing bowl, a large skillet or frying pan, a wooden spoon, a slotted spoon, and baking sheets. Once you have all that, let's start with the tofu. In a shallow dish, mix the plant-based milk and lemon juice. Submerge the tofu pieces in this mixture and let them soak for at least 15 minutes. In another shallow dish, combine the flour, cornstarch, baking powder, salt, black salt, if using, and turmeric powder, if using. Heat the vegetable oil in a large frying pan or deep fryer to 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius. Then, remove the tofu pieces from the milk mixture, allowing the excess liquid to drip off. Dredge each tofu piece in the flour mixture, ensuring they are evenly coated. Carefully place the tofu pieces in the hot oil and fry until golden brown and crispy, about 5 minutes per side. Remove and drain on paper towels. Later, for the chips, preheat your oven to 425 Fahrenheit or 220 Celsius. In a large bowl, toss the potato strips with vegetable oil, salt, and pepper until evenly coated. Spread the potatoes in a single layer on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for about 20 minutes or until they are golden brown and crispy, flipping them halfway through. And finally, for the tartar sauce, use a small bowl to combine the vegan mayonnaise, dill pickle relish, capers, fresh parsley, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Mix well and adjust the seasoning to taste. That's it. Super easy. If you enjoy this video and want to see more, go visit cookingwithjade.com. Goodbye. See you next time.